Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something super fun to share with you. A mini Temu haul with some nail goodies I recently picked up. Let's kick things off with this nail clipper. First of all, can we take a second to appreciate the holographic packaging? So cute and really well presented. Now, what made me click add to cart was this clever little container right here. It actually catches the nail clippings. No mess, no fuss. Plus, it has a built-in guide that helps you trim your nails to the exact same length. So satisfying when they all match perfectly, right? It feels great in the hand, looks high quality, and honestly, I'm impressed. This is the first item I got, and I can't wait to show you the rest. Stay tuned. Next up, check out this adorable little storage case filled with tons of tiny compartments packed with 3D nail charms and accessories. You can create endless super cute designs with these. I've been wanting to get my hands on 3D charms for ages because I have so many nail art ideas in mind, and now that it's summer, it's the perfect time to play around with fun colors and combos. This set is just packed with the sweetest little designs, nothing too big or bulky, just the right size for nail art. There are tiny strawberries, cute little cats, cats inside ice cream cones, yes, really, and even mini fruit juice bottles. How adorable is that? The packaging is neat. Everything's organized in separate sections, and it's honestly a dream for anyone who loves kawaii-style nails or just wants to add a fun twist to their manicure. This is the kind of product that instantly sparks creativity. I already have a few summer sets in mind using these. Before we move on, quick heads up. If you're interested in grabbing any of these products, don't forget to check the top right corner of the screen. There's a discount code you can use at checkout for a little price drop on your Temu order. Plus, I've left a special link down below. If you sign up through that link, you'll get extra gifts and discounts on your first order. Don't miss it. Now, let's get back to the haul. One of the next things I picked up are these plastic removal sticks. They're designed to help you take off your press-on nails super easily and gently. Honestly, such a simple tool, but it makes all the difference when removing nails without damaging your natural ones. And now, this next item is another one I absolutely loved. A charm case filled with metallic decorations in both gold and silver tones. As you can probably tell, I'm a huge fan of this type of packaging. I've actually bought a few different products that come in similar cases. Why? Because everything's neatly divided into individual compartments, so your charms don't get all mixed up. Super practical. Inside, you get a mix of small and large pieces in shiny silver and gold finishes. You can create some really elegant and glossy nail looks with these. Perfect for a more glam, eye-catching style. Let's keep the sticker train rolling! You guys already know I'm obsessed with nail stickers, especially anything shaped like bows. And look at these. How cute are they? They come in all sorts of sizes, and some even have little pearls in the center, which makes them even sweeter. I'll actually be using these in my next video, which is a surprise, no spoilers, and it's going live next Sunday, so stay tuned. You get a generous amount of bow stickers in this set, which means you can create multiple different looks, from kawaii to elegant, depending on how you mix and match them. And moving right along, more stickers. This time I grabbed this 3-piece star set, and I'm absolutely loving the color options. Each sheet is filled with tiny star-shaped stickers, but in 3 finishes. One in gold, one in silver, and one in holographic. They're perfect for adding a little sparkle and personality to your designs. Just pop a few on an accent nail and boom, instant creativity. Next up, charms again. I actually used these in my previous tutorial, which is already up on my channel. If you missed it, go check it out. And by the way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. These charms are seriously adorable. They're all little puppy charms with bows on their heads. Some show just the head, others show the whole puppy, and a few are in cute side poses. And the colors? Soft white, warm brown, and sweet pink. So pastel, so perfect. Right now I'm storing them temporarily, but I've actually ordered a special organizer case just for my charms, so I can have all my designs visible and ready to use when I'm planning sets. And finally, let's talk brushes. This was something I really needed in my collection. I picked up this set of 5 nail art brushes, and it's everything I was looking for. There's a mix of short, long, ultra thin, so you can do all the detailed designs your heart desires, from tiny hearts to lines, plaid, flowers. Whatever vibe you're going for, these brushes have you covered. The bristles are super soft and feel high quality, and the packaging is super tidy and professional. It's definitely one of those essential tools if you want to elevate your nail art game. Next up, and surprise, surprise, more stickers. These ones are giving total corset core vibes. Bows, lace patterns, and all the elegant details you could want. They're super chic, perfect for a classy, feminine nail look that still feels creative and playful. What I love about these is how versatile they are. You can totally cut the design into smaller pieces and use them in different combinations depending on your style or the shape of the nail. Such a fun way to customize your sets. By the way, do you guys use stickers in your nail looks? Let me know in the comments. I'm always curious to see how you use them. Moving on, I picked up these nail buffers. Simple but super useful. I got them so I can smooth the nail surface before applying press-ons or builder gel. They're a must if you want a clean, even base that helps your designs last longer. And now, I'm so excited for this next one. Tiny little heart charms, and they're honestly adorable. They come in all sorts of shades: soft green, baby pink, clear, and pastel blue. And they're filled with this glittery shimmer that looks kind of like mini crystals or rhinestones. These are the perfect tiny detail to add a bit of sparkle to any nail look, especially if you love sweet, soft styles with a bit of dimension. I seriously can't wait for my storage box for charms to arrive, because these little heart pieces are so small, I'm terrified I'll lose them before I even get a chance to use them. Next up, time for some gel polish. I picked up this semi-permanent gel polish from a brand I've never tried before, so this was my first time testing it out. And let me tell you, I was pleasantly surprised. It's a soft pink glitter shade, kind of like a blush color, super delicate and feminine. The consistency is really smooth, not too thick, not too runny, just right. I actually tried it on one nail already. I couldn't resist. And the color payoff is absolutely divine. It's incredibly sparkly, very shiny, and gives the nails a gorgeous glow. Perfect for those subtle glam looks or even bridal vibes. And moving on, I also picked up a manicure tool set in the prettiest iridescent color. The set comes with 3 essential tools: a nail clipper, cuticle pusher, and a curved tip scissor, all in matching finishes. This set is honestly a must-have if you're into prepping your nails for press-ons or builder gel. I really needed a new set for my prep steps, and these feel super high quality. They have a nice weight to them, like they're made of stainless steel, and the finish is just beautiful. The nail clipper is so smooth, no squeaky sounds, no stiffness, just easy motion. And the cuticle scissors? Ultra thin with a curved tip that's perfect for gently trimming those tiny cuticles without hurting the skin. Honestly, such a great addition to my nail kit. Next up, surprise, surprise, another gel polish. Yes, it's from the same brand as the pink glitter one I mentioned earlier, and I'm honestly really happy with how their gels perform. The formula is great, and I loved how the previous shade applied and lasted. So I went ahead and got this bright pink one for more of a summer vibe. It's a medium intensity pink, perfect if you want something bolder, but still pretty and wearable. The consistency is, again, really nice. Not too thick, not too runny, and both of the shades I got are self-leveling, which makes application super smooth. Now onto something a little more fun, a magnetic gel polish. This one is dual tone with a green base and soft pink magnetic shimmer. Basically, when you move the magnet across the surface, it pulls that subtle pink glow into the center, giving a cat eye kind of effect. So dreamy. I really appreciate that the bottle is sealed properly. No spills during shipping, which is always a plus. And yes, if you saw my previous video from last Sunday, this is the shade I used in the tutorial. Go check it out if you haven't already. Next up, something super practical, a glue remover spray for press-on nails and other adhesive-based styles. You just spray it onto the nail, and using a little plastic stick, like the ones I showed you earlier, you can gently lift off the press-ons without damaging your natural nail. The best part? It smells like strawberries. And according to the label, it's non-toxic and free from harsh chemicals, which is always a win. Okay, now for something I've been dying to try. Spider gel. I grabbed a set with 2 shades, black and white. I've had so many nail art ideas using spider gel. Those sleek lines and geometric designs are just chef's kiss. The black one is great for bold, graphic looks. The white one is perfect for soft, romantic designs, like florals, swirls, or dreamy lace patterns. Would you guys be interested in a tutorial using spider gel? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to show you some easy ways to create unique looks with it. And that's a wrap on today's Temu haul. We covered so much: semi-permanent gels, magnetic polish, stickers, charms, nail tools, glue remover, and spider gel. Seriously, this was such a fun haul to put together, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did filming it. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss next week's tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. And I'll see you next Sunday with something brand new.